Ethereum was created to enable developers to build and publish smart contracts and distributed applications, dApps, that can be used without the risks of downtime, fraud, or interference from a third party. Ethereum describes itself as the world's programmable blockchain. It distinguishes itself from Bitcoin as a programmable network that serves as a marketplace for financial services, games, and apps, all of which can be paid for in Ether cryptocurrency and are safe from fraud, theft, or censorship. Welcome back to another episode of Cryptopia. Cryptopia is your #1 channel for all of your crypto and NFTs needs. From the next hot altcoin that's going to explode, to helpful business guides surrounding finance and investing, we have it all. Make sure to subscribe to the channel now so you never get left behind with any of our breaking news or unmissable content. Trust us, you'll kick yourself if you don't. In this video we will be talking about Ethereum. Let's get into it. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency, called Ether, ETH, or Ethereum, and its own programming language, called Solidity. As a blockchain network, Ethereum is a decentralized public ledger for verifying and recording transactions. The network's users can create, publish, monetize, and use applications on the platform, and use its Ether cryptocurrency as payment. Insiders call the decentralized applications on the network dApps. As a cryptocurrency, Ethereum is second in market value only to Bitcoin, as of May 2021. Ethereum's Founders. Ethereum was launched in July 2015 by a small group of blockchain enthusiasts. They included 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞, founder of censorship, a blockchain applications developer that uses the Ethereum network. Another co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, is credited with originating the Ethereum concept and now serves as its CEO and public face. Buterin is sometimes described as the world's youngest crypto billionaire. He was born in 1994. The Ether cryptocurrency was designed to be used within the Ethereum network. However, like Bitcoin, Ether is now an accepted form of payment by some merchants and service vendors. Overstock, Shopify, and CheapAir are among the online sites that accept Ether as payment. Separately, Ether is a contender in the highly volatile cryptocurrency market. As of May 2021, Ethereum was the second largest cryptocurrency based on value, after Bitcoin. According to Analytics Insight, its market cap was estimated at $500 billion compared to $1.080 trillion for Bitcoin. Ethereum-based projects. Ethereum claims its platform can be used to codify, decentralize, secure, and trade just about anything. A number of projects are underway to test the concept. Microsoft is in partnership with censorship to offer Ethereum blockchain as a service, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐵𝐵𝑠, on the Microsoft Azure cloud. It is intended to offer enterprise clients and developers a single-click cloud-based blockchain developer environment. In 2020, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and censorship announced a joint venture to create a network of data centers built on the Ethereum infrastructure. The founders of Ethereum were among the first to consider the potential of blockchain technology for uses beyond the secure trading of virtual currency. Its ETH cryptocurrency was created primarily as a medium of payment for apps built on its platform. Its invulnerability to hackers and other snoopers has opened up possibilities for the storage of private information from healthcare records to voting systems. Its reliance on cryptocurrency opened up opportunities for programmers to create and market games and business applications on the network. Ethereum 2.0. As of May 2021, Ethereum was the second largest virtual currency on the market, behind only Bitcoin. The number of ETHs in circulation crossed the 100 million marks back in 2018. Unlike Bitcoin, there is no limit to the number of ETHs that can be created. Ethereum is currently undergoing a long-awaited upgrade known as Ethereum 2.0, which is intended to allow the network to scale up while addressing congestion problems that have slowed it down in the past. In 2017, a game called CryptoKitties single-handedly slowed down transactions on the platform. What is Ethereum in simple terms? Ethereum, like any blockchain, is a database of information that is designed to be unhackable. Ether, or ETH, is the cryptocurrency used to complete transactions on the blockchain. Unlike in a traditional database, information in a blockchain is organized as a chronological chain made up of blocks of data. For instance, every transaction using an Ether coin must be verified and recorded as an additional block on that coin's unique blockchain. This process of recording every transaction in a sequence is the reason that a blockchain is often compared to a ledger. The Ethereum blockchain stores more than transaction records for Ether currency. It allows software developers to create games and business applications, called dApps, and market them to users. Those users want to take advantage of the relative lack of risks that come with storing sensitive information on the World Wide Web. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about Ethereum. If you know anything we haven't mentioned, get involved and let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Cryptopia and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon, in the next one.